Hello people, I hope you are well. Our channel is growing and we thank you for the support. We will continue the good work as per your comments. There are some common avoidable mistakes that people always make when purchasing motor insurance. Let us talk about them and I will tell you how to avoid them. As usual, we have a tip for you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. We talked about buying a car as an investment in my earlier videos. Today, I am going to look at the biggest mistakes you are always making when purchasing insurance cover for your car. For you and for many people, buying insurance starts with a call to your insurance company or insurance broker and asking about the rate they will give you, then ask what that rate covers, and you decide to purchase or not depending on whether you like the response or not. This is mistake number 1. Relying on other people to tell you how they will cover your car other than you designing your cover by stating how you want your car to be taken care of by insurance. To correct this, you need to tell the insurer what you want instead of letting the insurer sell you a cover which may not meet your needs. List all the services you want an insurance policy to give you. Then ask your broker or agent to look for a cover that matches your requirements. For example, when I am purchasing insurance, I want an insurance cover that will repair my car, pay me when the car is stolen or burned, pay third parties when my car accidentally injures them or damages their property, give me courtesy car, pay for windscreen, side mirror and radio cassette when stolen, pay for my excess when the policy demands for it, and so on. The list is based on experiences that one has had in the past. After you arm yourself with what you want your insurance policy to do for you, then set and find a cover that responds to your needs. Mistake number 2, not giving insurance priority or not taking insurance seriously. A comprehensive insurance cover is like having another car similar to your car waiting for you, since the policy literally promises to give you another car in form of payment when yours is totally damaged or stolen. You spend a lot of time saving to purchase a car, then days looking for a good car, only to let someone else decide what is a good policy for your car. Getting a good motor insurance policy is like having savings account from which you get funds to repair or replace the car parts or replacing the whole car. The difference here is, when you purchase insurance, you only pay premium once a year and the insurance company will take care of all the major expenses within that year. Always ask about the policy. Read the policy document for yourself or go through it with your broker or agent and be generally aware of your insurance policy. Insurance renewal dates and changes in legislation and regulations affecting insurance industry. You can either do that by yourself or have your broker or agent to assist. Mistake number 3 is not budgeting for insurance premiums. It is easier when buying a car for the first time, since one will plan ahead and know that insurance need an upfront payment of premiums. However, during subsequent renewals, for some people, premium is not a priority. Well, some insurance companies will allow you 2 installments within a month, but it is more prudent to prepare and pay your renewal premium once at renewal. It helps you avoid unnecessary hustles like when your car get an accident before you complete payment. Your insurance company can either choose to decline the claim or ask you to complete premium payment before handling the claim. Mistake number 4, withholding critical information. The common critical mistake people make when purchasing insurance policy is failing to declare the correct use of the car. As mentioned in one of my earlier video, insurance risks vary with vehicle use and are rated based on what the car will be used for. Some will purchase private insurance policy and end up using the car for hire and reward, as in Uber, taxis, etc. If this happens and the car gets an accident, the claim will be rejected, and rightly so. Declare the correct use of the car and get correct cover. It is that simple. That is all for now. Look out for more of these mistakes in my upcoming videos. Today's tips. 1. Insuring 3 or more cars with one insurance company entitles you to a fleet discount. 2. You can get higher limits of extensions like higher windscreen or radio cassette or side mirrors limit at a small additional fee. 3. Having your car valued every year will ensure you get the right value coverage with discounted premium. Let's meet again in the next video.